Hello again, it's Noob, and well, I've got one of these weird sort of key-shaped file things. It's supposed to go in your key ring and be a fingernail cleaner and file. I mean, it's a bit of a weird thing, but I have seen these modified to make a lockpick out of, and I've seen this a number of times. I think meme on the UK locksport forum. I think my friend Baldy Locks has done one as well. There's a few people who've done them, so I'm certainly not the first, but I've never had a go myself. So I'm thinking this might be a relatively quick job with a rotary multi-tool. I don't know. Let's find out. So first things first, and ignore the small yappy dog outside, not mine. If you can hear it, let's just get in here and have a look at what we get. I imagine that the biggest issue will be the quality of the steel, because it could be absolutely terrible. Now, what's interesting is that the key itself feels like it's made from a real key blank. It's like the same weight as two keys. Oh, and some nasty grease there. But when it's folded out, that could be okay. I mean, it's a bit thick, so I'll have to somehow grind or sand that down. I don't think it's ever going to be the thinnest lockpick in the world, but yeah, we can see where we get to with this, can't we? So here we are, sort of the final product. I have ground this to a pick, given it a bit of a polish. It's hard because it was very thick, and I've tapered it down. It's quite a nice profile, sort of a short hook, and it does close up nicely, and I can undo it. I would probably think about taking a bit more off this shoulder, which I think is what's stopping it from going down much further. There's certainly room here, but I don't want to do too much that I can't actually remove the pick. So there we go. It's a pick, key pick, whatever you want to call it. Now let's see if we can pick a lock, and I don't want to go too hard on it because it might break. I think it was actually quite hard to grind. I think it's some kind of like quite high carbon steel, could be very brittle. So I'm just going to try it on a little mass lock first. Pin 2 there, I can feel. Pin 3 now, and look at that, we're already open. Well, it did the mass lock 3. Let's ramp it up and try the XL. And that's pin 4 at the back. I feel pin 2 binding there, and oh, we're already open on that one too. Okay, final test. This very tight keywayed ABUS 6040 with lots of spools. A real challenge for a lockpick that's made so brutally, sort of an unrefined lockpick. So just trying to get onto pin 5 there. 2, little click, 1 now, little counter rotation, 3, oh, overset something, back to 1, 3 again, and we're open. There we go. So there we go. I think that worked out actually quite well. I found it quite hard to work with. The steel was a lot harder than I thought it would be. I thought it might be some kind of like, you know, aluminium alloy type thing for a nail file, but it was actually made of some carbon or tool steel. I don't know. It was pretty tough, and I'm worried it might be a bit too brittle, but this is an occasional lockpick and really just a bit of fun, isn't it? It's a lockpick key. It's a, you know, bit of a visual pun. I don't know what you call it really, but yeah, it works out really well. Like I said, I might just remove a bit more material off here so that I think it'll sit down a bit lower. It's not too bad as it is, but it'd be nice a bit lower. It works surprisingly well. It's surprisingly comfortable. It's a little bit heavy, and yeah, I really like it. It's a fun mod anyway. Tell me what you think to this. Have you done one yourself? Have you seen other people do it? Let me know in the comments. I read them all, reply to as many as I can. If you like this video, leave a like. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, because it always helps my channel out. And of course, I'll see you all next time.